Hey guys, today I'd like to share with you my candied strawberry recipe. If you're new to the channel, make sure to click the subscribe button and the post notification bell next to it so you don't miss out on any future uploads. To a pot on medium-high heat, add 3 cups of granulated sugar, add 3/4 of a cup of light corn syrup, one teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1 1/4 cups of water. Bring mixture to a temperature of 250 degrees Fahrenheit. Prior to dipping your strawberries, make sure to rinse them and dry them. Place your dipped strawberries on a silicone mat. Check out that glossy coat. Allow strawberries to cool down completely, approximately 5 to 10 minutes before serving. And there you have it, candied strawberries.